Hey, what's up everybody? Kelly here at Handy Paisa. In this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and quick demonstration of this ProWoo 62cc auger post hole digger that I picked up from Amazon. If you want to see me put it to use, check out this video, and here I'm just going to do a quick demo of the unit. For unboxing the unit, everything comes in this box. All the parts and the auger itself come individually packed inside the box. This one looks like the 8-inch auger bit, and this one is the 6-inch. And by that, it's the diameter of the bit. These are going to be the extensions. And this is the auger itself. It is a 62cc engine, 2-stroke engine. It has the fuel to oil mixing bottle, the tool itself, funnel, some tools, and a manual. I'm going to lay this all on the table and give you a better look. Here's a better look at everything laid out. So you got the actual engine, the motor, the 62cc motor, a extra cover for your exhaust, funnel to mix your fuel with, or to pour the fuel into the mixing bottle, toolkit. So in the bag labeled toolkit, we have the following tools. So we have hex wrench, little combination wrench, spare accelerator, some pins, the spark plug removal tool, some extra pins, and a screwdriver with a Phillips head and flathead. It's got your manual, and like I said, it's got the 2 extension rods, the 6-inch bit and the 8-inch bit. One thing, it does require some assembly. It's basically just attaching this to this screw right here. This is your accelerator lever. It's even got a beveled edge right here that goes against the rounded edge of the handle. And this is your on-off switch. All you have to do is get this screw out, and then you're going to put the switch on top. You're going to drive the screw through, and you're going to attach it to the accelerator like so. Looks to be pretty well built. It's got this handle design here made out of metal. It's got the engine. I'm going to go ahead and mix the fuel. It does say to do a 25-to-1 ratio, so 25 parts fuel to 1 oil ratio. So we'll mix it, pour it in, and crank it and give it a try. Only mixing a small amount just for quick demonstration purposes. So you put the fuel inside the big container, and you put the oil in here, and it gives you, I don't know if you all can see that, but it gives you the 25-to-1 ratio. And then you flip this over like so. And it mixes up. And now we're going to pour this into the engine. Make sure you have some shop rags handy when you're mixing fuel. It was getting everywhere. Alright, now we have that in place. And I think I need to read the instructions real quick to make sure I think I need to prime it and make sure the choke is in the right place. The ignition switch should be on. Let's move this to the floor and give it a try. There's not a good way to grip this to turn this on. Actually, there is. You just haven't figured it out yet. What am I doing wrong? So many things. Firstly, you did not prime the engine. Secondly, you were pulling the start chain without any leverage. Let's do some priming. There you go. That's a start. Just scratching the heck out of these things. Move to the grass. Not this way, but apparently this way. Yep, that's gonna leave a mark. Ow! Ooh. Yep, it left a mark. There you go. You got lucky. There we go, finally. Woo. What a pain in the butt. Alright, so the trick was to lay it flat like this. Put my foot over here. Well, that's only partially true. The real trick is to attach one of the bits to the engine to act as leverage. To put your bit on, you need to remove this pin right here to release this bolt, and it needs to go. Let's see. So now when we turn this thing on, see how easy that was when you have the right leverage? You probably can't tell, but I am running, pretty much ran out of daylight, so I will have to show you all how this performs when I have more light. But at least I think I finally got the trick on how to turn the thing on, and hopefully I don't ruin my shin every time I do this. That was really painful. Let's make it whole, shall we? Very nice, very nice. It's gonna work very well for our needs, for sure. Here is the hole that we ended up with. And I did it really small, so it's not that much. Just wanted to do a quick test, make sure it's good to go before Sunday when we start working on the park signs. So stay tuned and watch part 2 of making holes for the signs at the park. If you're thinking of getting one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can purchase one.